This is pretty much the home screen of the AI application, and a very, very simple AI application again. So here you have the portrait option, which you can use. As you can see here, you just upload a clear image of yourself, and these are results you can get as well. As you can see here, a lot of them you may see pro over some of them. That pretty much means you're gonna need subscription to use those features, to use those templates or whatever the case is. But here, as you can see, very, very easy application to use. You have the lover option, you have the crush option, a lot of them, guys. So let's say, for example, you want to use one of these. If you don't have any subscription, you may need to tap on the one that doesn't say pro. Once you have done that, you pretty much can select your image that you want to use, and it will pretty much replace the face and add your face into the image. So let's try one of their options here. As you can see, once I've uploaded my image, do make sure you upload the image so that the AI can give you a better result, a clear picture of your face, guys. Don't do that, you're not going to get a good result. So as you can see here, this is the result from the picture that I've uploaded. But yeah, it's just templates, nothing much. So as you can see here, it's been uploaded, and this is how it looks. So here you have the pro option. Obviously, I'm going to need the pro subscription to use that feature. So I'm going to just change it to another one. As you can see here, it will use the face that I've uploaded before. So once you have uploaded the face, you don't have to upload it again. So as you can see here, it will integrate your face into the image. So this is pretty much how the application works for pretty much all the features. So once you tap on the download icon here, you can pretty much download the image to your device. And as well, you may have a watermark. To remove the watermark, you pretty much have to get a subscription. So you're gonna need a subscription if you want to remove the watermark. Down here you have some different features as well, which you can use. You have the AI expand, you have the retouch, you have the HD beauty, and you have the image enhancer. So to get your subscription here, so let's go back real quick. To get your subscription, you have to tap on the pro icon at the top, and this is where you go and get your subscription. They do offer a 3-day free trial, which you can try the application and give it a test. And let's see if it's pretty much worth it, but it's a very good application, not gonna lie. So as you can see here, the prices and everything. So very easy application to use, and any one of these features that you want to use, all you have to do is just click on the one that you want to use and upload a clear image of yourself. I'm not going to stress it anymore, but upload a clear image of yourself. Down here as well, you have the college template option here as well, which you can use. And it will just give you some different template as it relates to this. Make sure, so it may see an ads like this. It may be tricky. Just wait until X and tap on the X here, and wait until X again and tap on the X. So maybe tricky, so make sure you do that, guys. So here again, once you have uploaded the image, it will remove the background. You'll be able to upload a few templates that they have here, or backgrounds that they have here, and you can use it for yourself. As you can see here, this one pretty much kind of look weird, so I won't recommend you using that one. As you can see here, this one here look weird as well, and you have some other ones which you can use. Some of them you may need pro subscription to use them, so do keep that in mind. So as you can see here, this one looks very great. Let's tap on it once it's finished, and you have some different features which you can use within the application. So that's really pretty much it for this. And if I've missed anything at all, comment below. Let me see you guys in the next one.